This video tutorial will show you how easy it is to create an interactive map using Google Maps with text, links, audio, images, and video, all set in a map format. First, you're going to go to Google Maps, log on to Google Maps, and you're going to sign in. We're at the top right-hand corner, sign in, and you sign in with your Google account. Once you've signed in, you'll see a map that looks like this with on the top left-hand corner it says search Google Maps, and there are 3 bars, horizontal bars, right at the top. You're going to click on that, and now there's a lot of text, but if you scroll down to your places, you'll see a little icon there. That's a place mark for labeling places on your map. Next, you're going to click on your places. We don't really have any places just yet, but up here it says Maps. You're going to click on Maps, and notice at the very bottom there's something and it says Create Map. You're going to click on that now because our goal is to create a map of your state. This is what you'll see right now in front of you. It's a map of the entire United States. We're interested in just your state, so now we're going to start adding places of interest, of historical significance, and landmarks and landforms to your states. You'll notice that our map is called Untitled, so the first thing we want to do is give our map a name. So I'm going to click on Untitled Map. It's right here. Please raise your hand if you have a question and I'll come over and help. Click on it, and now it gives me an opportunity to change this. So I'm going to label this California because that's the state that I'm researching. Once I've written in California, I can click on Save. Now my title is California. Now I have my notes with me and I'm ready to start adding my first location of interest, and that's going to be Yosemite National Park, California. I've typed in Yosemite National Park. I'm going to click on the search button, and all of a sudden there's Yosemite National Park with a green icon right there. First thing I want to do is I want to add it to my map. So you'll see an add to map right here with a plus sign. I'm going to click on it. And now it's been added. My icon is turned blue. I would like to change that so it looks like more of a park. So I'm going to click on this fill button, and I get more icons that I can choose. Maybe I can find something that looks like a tree or a hiker. And once I find that, a hiker, I might click on that. I can change my color. I'm going to write OK. Then I can change my color to make it green. Now I have my icon. X out of that, and I've selected my first place. Now I'd like to edit it. Click on that edit, and I can write some information here. I can add some photos. Okay, now I'm ready to take a picture. So I'm going to come down here to the camera. Click on the camera icon. I've typed in Yosemite National Park up here, and I'm going to get lots of images. My first image I'm going to choose is this one of the waterfall. But before I press select, it's very important, I right click on the URL, and if you remember, we always have to give credit to the source that we received our picture from. So I'm putting copy link address right here. Copy link address. I copied it. I click on submit. And now my photograph, my image, comes right into my box. And right in the box, I'm going to put paste. So now I have my citation and I have my image. So I can press save. And my first image on my map is here in the state of California with my citation. I can go back and edit it again and add another picture and add text explaining the waterfall. Now I've very successfully saved one image, one citation. I can again go to my edit button and add another photo and more text to explain Yosemite National Park. You now have a Google map with two locations highlighted, Yosemite Park and the Golden Gate Bridge. As with Google Docs and Google Slides, this is saved automatically. And our next video, I will show you how to insert a video and also how to preview your work and share it with your classmates. So this is the first step. We'll try to get about 5 or 6 locations up in terms of different places to visit in your state with images and text. And this is the first start, which is really great.